Hi, I am Dipti, and today I would like to share a project that we have recently worked at Melonleaf. This time, we partnered with an entertainment company that wanted to expand its digital presence. They had a growing audience, but their existing streaming platform was not keeping up. Viewers wanted smooth streaming, easy navigation, and shows that felt tailored to them. But instead, the platform struggled with frequent lags during peak hours, no smart recommendations for viewers, a clunky interface that made discovery harder, and limited visibility for the company into user behavior. The risk: loyal viewers could easily move to the competitors that are offering better experiences. We wanted to transform their streaming service into a modern OTT app, one that is fast, intuitive, and felt personal for every user. So, we built a smart OTT app with cloud scalability and AI-driven personalization at its core. Now, the app streams seamlessly even during heavy traffic, suggests movies and shows based on each user's taste, offers a simple, engaging design for smooth navigation, provides rich analytics for the business team to understand and plan better. The results were amazing. Viewers began watching more, staying longer, and also renewing their subscriptions. For the company, the app became more than just a streaming platform. It turns into a growth engine powered by data and engagement. And I'm proud to be a part in building that.